We are going to study about the coastal plains. Okay, so in the coastal plains we will find that there are two types of coastal plains, that is the two divisions of the coastal plains of India. So one is the western coastal plains जो हमें मिलता है western side में, and the second is the eastern coastal plain जो हमें मिलता है eastern side of India. Okay, so here we have the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Now this is the western coastline of India, and in the western coastline of India, in the nearby, you will find there are the Western Ghats. Okay, so the area between the western coastline and Western Ghats, this area, okay, ये जो area है इसे कहते हैं Western Coastal Plains. Remember the area between the western coastline and the Western Ghats. Similarly, in the eastern side also, this is the eastern coastline of India, and these are the Eastern Ghats. And the area between the eastern coastline and the Eastern Ghats, this area, you will say this is the Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay, so ये है हमारा Western and Eastern Coastal Plains. Now there are something which you should remember, that is the total coastline of India. That is, total means the mainland coastline of India. It is around 6100 किलोमीटर. Remember, अब ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा जा सकता है एग्जाम में, एक फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन के तौर पर यह आ सकता है. दिस में भी एक क्वेश्चन ऑन बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्चुअल. ओके, सो दिस इज द फैक्ट व्हिच यू शुड रिमेंबर, दैट इज द 6100 किलोमीटर. इट इज द मेनलैंड कोस्टलाइन ऑफ इंडिया. रिमेंबर, इट इज द मेनलैंड कोस्टलाइन ऑफ इंडिया. बट इफ यू कंसीडर अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड एंड लक्षद्वीप आल्सो, बिकॉज दीज आर इंडियाज टेरिटरीज. Okay, these are Indian territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island as well as Lakshadweep. तो ये अगर आप काउंट करते हैं तो you will get around 7516. अब ये 0.6 आपको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये अगर राउंड फिगर भी याद रखते हो तो भी इट इज ओके. ओके, दैट इज 7516 किलोमीटर. So this is the total coastline of India if you consider Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep also. But the mainland coastline is around 6100 kilometer. Okay, and now remember the number of both the coastline, that is the mainland as well as the island coastline also. Now secondly, if you see, there are two divisions, and that is the western and eastern. So here you will find this is the western coastline, and here this is the eastern coastline. If you can see this area which is marked by black color, you will find this is the western coastline, and here you will find this is the eastern coastline. Okay, clear है? तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर. So western coast of India, first we will start with the western coast of India. What is it? So the western coast strip extends from Gujarat in the north and Kerala in the south. Okay, यहां पर आप देखोगे तो गुजरात, it starts from Gujarat in the north and it extends up to Kerala in the south. Okay, up to this position, Gujarat in the north and Kerala in the south, यहां तक है. So and it also covers the states like Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. So here you can see this is the Maharashtra coastline of Maharashtra, the plains, the western coastal plains of Maharashtra, then some Goa and the Karnataka, and then Kerala. So remember which states are having these coastal plains. So remember, you will remember this is Gujarat, and then Maharashtra, and then you will find this is Goa, and here you will find Kerala. Okay, so these are the states you should remember. Okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa and Kerala, and Karnataka as well. Sorry, Karnataka as well. Okay, so these are the states you should remember: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. These are the states which are having the western coastal plains. Okay, now again these western coastal plains are divided there are subdivisions of the coastal plains. So which are the subdivisions of the coastal plains? So you will find this area in the north. If you start from the north, you will find this area, that is the Kutch area of Gujarat. So these coastal plains are also called as Kutch plains. Then this area of Gujarat, that is the Kathiawad area. This area is called Kathiawad area, and these are also called as Kathiawad plains. And these plains are also called as Gujarat plains. So this is the subdivision of the western coastal plains. ये जो regional division है coastal plains का, ठीक है. Now this whole area is called as Konkan coast, very famous. That is the Konkan coast or Konkan plains. Okay, and the southern side you will find mainly covering the Kerala plains. You will find the Kerala coast. You will find these are the Malabar plains or Malabar coast. Okay, so you should remember this. Now the Gujarat plains, Kutch plains and Kathiawar plains, Konkan plain and Malabar coast. Okay, so here Konkan is very famous for its cashew production. काजू जो होते हैं यहाँ पर बहुत मिलेगा आपको, कैश्यू प्रोडक्शन. एंड सेकेंडली इट इज ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर इट्स कोकोनट प्रोडक्शन. एंड third, you will find lot of rice cultivation over here in the coastal plains. Okay, so cashew, coconut and rice are the main crops you will find in the Konkan coast. Okay, and similarly in the Malabar also you will find lot of rice production. Okay, now here if you see on the eastern side you will find that the Odisha area are also called as Utkal plains. Now ये उत्कल जो है वो हमारे राष्ट्रगीत में भी आता है. ओके, उत्कल जलधि तरंग. ओके, उत्कल जलधि तरंग. So this Utkal word comes from this Utkal plain in our राष्ट्रगीत. Okay, that is the national anthem. So you will find this in the Odisha plains, Odisha coastal plains. So these are also called as Utkal plains. Then this area is also called as northern Sircars. So this whole area is also called as northern Sircars, and the southern areas, southern division is also called as Coromandel coast. अब आपको यहाँ पर याद क्या रखना है? What is the important thing you should remember is that you should remember the position of the plains. Okay, you may be called to arrange it north to south, or you may be given to north to south, south to east. ये ऑप्शन आ सकते हैं, ठीक है. यू मे गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शंस, एंड दिस इज द रीजन यू शुड रिमेंबर द पोजीशन ऑफ द प्लेन्स. ओके, सो अगेन वी विल रिवाइज. दिस इज द कच्छ प्लेन, काठियावाड़ प्लेन एंड गुजरात प्लेन. सो नॉर्थ टू साउथ अगर हम जाते हैं तो कच्छ, काठियावाड़ एंड गुजरात. एंड अगेन इन महाराष्ट्र यू विल फाइंड दिस इज कोंकण प्लेन. Then in Karnataka and some part of Kerala you will also find Malabar coast. Again in the eastern side you go, you will find in the Odisha area you will find the Utkal plain and northern Sircars. Okay, and you will find Coromandel coast. So these are the areas which you should remember. And at the south you will find this is the Cape Comorin area, the southern point of India, that is near the Kanyakumari. Okay, so now we have studied the eastern and western coast as well. So the western coast, so the Utkal coast, you will find that the Utkal coast, that is this area. So this area, Utkal coast, it extends from Chilka Lake to Kolleru Lake. Okay, Chilka Lake you should remember it is in Odisha. So it extends from Chilka Lake to Kolleru Lake. Okay, and these coastal plains are much wider than the western coastal plains. So because यहाँ पर जो है जो eastern ghats they are eroded by the rivers which are flowing in this area. So you will find that the western coastal plains are narrow. Western coastal plains are narrow, but the eastern coastal plains are wider. Remember, so western coastal plains are narrow, but the eastern coastal plains they are wider if we compare both together. Okay, then this region is vastly affected by immense rainfall and it is also vulnerable to cyclones. अब आप लोग यहाँ पर बहुत सारे cyclones न्यूज में आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे देखा होगा कि the cyclone is going to hit this area. So recently that was the Hudhud cyclone, and so this type of various cyclones you will find hitting in this area, that is the Utkal coast and the northern Sirkar. Okay, so Utkal coast and northern Sirkar, Utkal coast and northern Sirkar. So these are the coasts which are frequently affected by the cyclones. Okay, and these coasts are also known for their banana production. Okay, banana cultivation. Okay, coconut and banana as well as rice. So coconut, banana and rice are the crops which are cultivated. So these are the crops which are cultivated in this area. So this is all about the plains. Now in our next lesson we will study about the river system of India. So हम लोग rivers के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे. Then we will study about various rivers like the Ganga river, then Indus river, the Brahmaputra river. Then we also study about the peninsular rivers, various peninsular like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, then Tapi, Mahanadi. So we are going to study about that in detail. Okay, so